How to check your Windows edition. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Now to check your Windows edition on your laptop version, all you have to do is first of all, navigate to settings in your device. For that, go to the search bar and simply search for settings. Now once you get into your settings, navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side and click on System. Now, on their system, scroll down a bit and at the very end, there is an option as About. Click on it. Now, under this About, you can get information about your device specification. If you scroll down a bit, there is a Windows specification. So from there, you can view your version, your edition installed on OS builds and experience. So from this page, you can view your Windows edition. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.